Emotions are rising in the health IT industry today as Luma Health is set to unveil its new AI capabilities. But is this growing AI trend really helping us? Sources in the field express concern. I'm here on scene live at the Clarksville Mall. I understand that AI security is supposed to identify future threats.
That's what it's supposed to do. However, this AI security only identifies kids doing the latest TikTok dances.
It was supposed to take preferences and trends into account and create the perfect pizza for our customers, but it's been a little bit of a disaster.
We hoped it was going to make gardening easier, but it's been quite the opposite, actually. We're having a really bad experience.
I'm joined over here randomly in the parking lot by Adnan, one of the Luma Health experts. How is Luma's AI different than everybody else's?
What makes Luma's AI different is that it's real.